Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to zoom in and out on a Mac. First of all, you need to open System Settings. To do that, click on the Apple icon from the top left corner and then from the menu, select System Settings. Once the System Settings panel opens, scroll down from the left side until you find Trackpad and click on it to open. Now on the right side, open the Scroll and Zoom tab. Here, make sure the Zoom in or out toggle is turned on. If it's already enabled but not working properly, simply turn it off and then back on again. After that, we need to adjust a few more settings. From the left side, find and open Accessibility. Now on the right side, click on Zoom. Here, make sure the option called Use Keyboard Shortcuts to Zoom is enabled. Also turn on Use Trackpad Gesture to Zoom, and then enable Use Scroll Gesture with Modifier Keys to Zoom. Once all these options are turned on, let's try using the trackpad gesture to zoom. I'll double tap with 3 fingers on the trackpad, and there you go. You can see the screen zooms in. Now if I double tap with 3 fingers again, the screen zooms out. So by using these gestures, you can easily zoom in and out on your Mac. And that's it. This is how you can zoom in and out on a Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.